Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay everyone, I want to welcome you to this video series where we're going to be talking about monetizing your blog. Now there are going to be a couple of things that we're going to have to assume that you've already established. Probably the first thing that you will want to have already done before you start this course is to have established your blog already. And of course you can do that with a free blog, and you can use a website like Blogger, and I will show you that right now. And what you're going to do in order to get your free blog from Blogger is you'll go to blogger.com. You'll need a Google account in order to start one. And all you'll have to do for the most part is sign in, and Google will assign you a free blog that you will be able to monetize. So that is one of the free options that you have. You can also get a blog from WordPress.com. Now, although WordPress.com does have some limitations, you will still be able to do some monetizing options. So again, if you are running short on funds and you really don't necessarily want to start paying for the blog that you're going to be using, you can start with Blogger or WordPress.com. If you want to do a paid option, and quite frankly for what you're going to be doing, this is the recommended method, that you do go ahead and get yourself a self-hosted blog. And without going into too much detail, you can pick up a hosting package from HostGator.com, www.hostgator.com. You can then go and get a domain name from Namecheap.com. And it's kind of a secondary step, and I want to just show you those things so that you'll know what your options are. Again, this course is not about creating the blog or finding any of these things, but this is just kind of a brief overview of what you can be doing. Now, of course, you will need to understand how to get traffic to your blog, and there are entire courses on how to get traffic. So again, this course is not about getting traffic, so you'll want to already be at the stage where you understand how you're going to be getting traffic to your blog, or at the very least you should be working on learning how to get traffic. Naturally, the other thing that you'll need to have done is to pick a niche, or to pick an appropriate money-making market for you to have your blog in. Right? So the niche is going to be very important. We'll touch briefly on that in the course, but for the most part, this is a stage that you'll already want to have already accomplished. You will just really be at the point where you are looking to get into the niche and actually generate some income from it. Of course, you'll know how to, if you know the niche, you'll know how to do keyword research already. Again, entire courses on doing keyword research. That's not going to be the scope of this course. So if you'll need to learn keyword research, there are some resources available in a PDF for you to be able to get what you need on keyword research. Lastly, you'll need to know how to create your content, and that's going to be important in terms of the actual monetization you're going to be doing, whether or not you're going to be creating audio content, you're going to be creating text content, you're going to be creating video content, or you're going to be creating all of those pieces of content, or you're going to have guest bloggers. Really, the creation of the content is going to be up to you. You'll need to determine what's going to be best for the people who are going to be inside of your market or niche. Now, what we're going to be talking about is monetization. And once you've done all 5 of these things and you have them in place, this is going to be the focus of our course. How can we generate income from our activities? How can we make blogging pay for us, or how can we make blogging pay us for our activities, so that once you engage in blogging, you're not just doing it just for the social value, you're not just doing it for the value that it gives you and making you feel good about the things you're writing. You're doing it so that it generates an income from you, and that's going to be the focus of this course. So with that, thank you, and I will see you in the next video.